Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here. If you are new, welcome to you. Hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. I'm sharing with you guys a DIY, a glam DIY, which I did with some inexpensive pumpkins, as you can see here. I got the ones with the light and the carvings, but I didn't want the carvings, so here I am going ahead to use my glue gun and fill out those carvings so it can shape the pumpkin, which is what I did. And now going ahead to spray paint them. The pumpkins, the small pumpkins, were not taking the white spray paint properly. I don't know why. So I went ahead and used my silver and metallic silver and metallic gold, spray painted them. I've got some clear glass beads, which is what I'm using to decorate this pumpkin, along with some silver glitter. So here I'm using my glue gun to go ahead and add the table scatters to the pumpkin. The glue gun wasn't working so well for the beads, so I went ahead and used my Mod Podge to add the beads on, as you can see I'm doing here. And that worked quite well. And also went ahead and sprinkled with the silver glitter. Now onto my gold pumpkin, I'm just using my Mod Podge to add some glitter onto the top of the pumpkin. And for my large pumpkin, I'm doing pretty much the same thing I did with the gold one. I'm just using my Mod Podge to add some glitter, and I also had some gemstones which I'm adding to the top as well. Keep watching, guys. this is my finished look for my pumpkins. Also, this is the way I styled my pumpkins. I put them on my table. I styled them in a mirrored tray. I've just got a mirrored tray here, marble and gold, and I've put my pumpkins in along with a candle stand and also a candle. And I've also got my coasters in the tray as well. I think the finish is really nice. I'm really loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day and be blessed. I will see you on the next video.